Hey guys, let us move forward to discuss about Python strings in today's session. A string is a data structure in Python which represents a sequence of characters and it can be mentioned within single or double quotes. We can obtain substrings from the given string using slice syntax by referring to their index values. Likewise, we can modify, concatenate, format etc. Let us see some examples to know more insights. Usually, index starts from 0 and in first statement, we printed a substring, characters from second index till end. Similarly, second statement, it prints from the beginning till index 5, excluded. In Python, we have set of built-in methods which can be used to perform several operations on strings like upper, lower, replace and count etc. To have a look at the screen to know other methods which can be useful, and you can try all these methods to get a clear idea. We can combine strings using the arithmetic operator. It's not possible to concatenate strings and integers using the arithmetic operator as we did earlier. Instead, we can do it using the format method. Escape characters is a backslash, followed by character which never gets printed. We have few more escape characters which are allowed in Python, and you can give a try to work on it. Let me showcase them on screen for reference. We'll catch you all in the next session. Until then, bye bye.